Ever wondered why some people love crunching numbers, while others are always dreaming up new ideas? It turns out, it's not just personality. It's your brain's wiring at work. Today, let's dive into something called the Herrmann Effect and how it can unlock your brain's full potential. The Herrmann Effect comes from the research of Ned Herrmann, who studied how our brains process information differently. He realized that just like being left-handed or right-handed, people tend to favor certain ways of thinking. Herrmann mapped this out with what's called the whole brain model. Imagine your brain divided into 4 parts. Think of it like a pizza with 4 slices. Each slice represents a different thinking style. First, there's the analytical slice. These are your logic lovers, the folks who thrive on facts, data, and problem solving. Next, the practical slice. These thinkers are all about planning, organizing, and making sure things get done. Then there's the relational slice. These people focus on feelings, teamwork, and building relationships. And finally, the experimental slice. These are your innovators, always dreaming up new ideas and thinking outside the box. Here's the cool part. We all have all 4 slices, but each of us tends to favor 1 or 2. That's what makes the Herrmann Effect so powerful. It helps us understand why we think the way we do, and why others might see the world differently. So why does this matter for educators? Well, if I know my students have different thinking preferences, I can tailor my teaching to reach everyone. For the analytical thinkers, I might throw in some logic puzzles. For the practical ones, clear instructions and structure work best. Relational thinkers thrive with group projects and discussions. And experimental thinkers? They light up when you let them brainstorm and explore new ideas. Unlocking the Herrmann Effect isn't just about labeling people. It's about expanding your own thinking. If I usually stick to one style, I can challenge myself to try others. For example, if I'm super analytical, maybe I'll try working on a creative art project. If I love group work, maybe I'll take on a solo project to push my boundaries. By understanding the Herrmann Effect, I can become a better teacher and a better learner. I start to see challenges from different angles, and I appreciate the diversity of thought in my classroom. So next time you're planning a lesson or working with your team, think about those 4 slices of the brain pizza. The more you mix them up, the more powerful your teaching and your thinking can become. Unlock your brain and help others do the same. That's the Herrmann Effect in action.